to the FME Debrief. This time we are live from FABTECH. I'm here with Ed Udell, FMA CEO. Things look a little different around here. Tell us about it.
Absolutely, they are, Sarah. We have a brand new image, a new mission here at FMA. We've been doing great work for many years, but we've refocused around the idea of supporting a workforce lifecycle where we can help our members and our community from the beginning of their work journey all the way through their career. And of course, culminates here at the biggest event in the industry, FABTECH, where they can learn about the best world-class technology that will help them and their business become more competitive. And we all need to be competitive in today's environment.
And we want you to help celebrate with us tomorrow morning.
We expect to see everybody here tomorrow at 10 a.m. in our new booth to help us celebrate the launch of our new brand and join us in a champagne toast, 10 a.m. right here at FABTECH.
See you there.